Hello guys, welcome to my channel and my name is ETKS and I'm here with
Liza
and
Epila.
So today we're gonna eat a rib. See, and then we got that spicy sauce, you know what I mean? It's gotta be spicy. So we're gonna start eating now. Okay, we're gonna cut it for them. Listen, you know, gotta be careful with kids. Whoo, shh. You see this? This is what you call good stuff. Man, it's kind of hard, but it's good still. Okay. Let's start eating, guys. Go ahead. Enjoy yourself. Woo. Hold up. Eat this. Look at this, man. Whew, you see that juice? Sheesh. This kind of sauce is hot, but it's perfect. It's good, right? Kind of hard to chew. Well, yeah. I want to thank to Sonny and his mother for cooking this. It's very good, very delicious. This sauce is good, no lie. It's not that hard to make this. Very easy. But hey, enjoy it. You see how you eat it? Eat it like this. What did I say? Oh my goodness. Y'all should try it out. How is it?
Really good.
And this is healthy and protein. Eat as much as you want. Enjoy it. Another one. This is so good. Huh? This is so good. Might as well enjoy it. Oh my goodness. Look at this sauce. I'm sorry guys, kind of dirty, but it's just so good. When things are good, you want to eat it messy, you know? You want to get that good taste. See? Let me help you. Wow. Hey, try this sauce.
I already tried it. It's good.
Good, huh? Wow.
It's so hot.
You like it?
No, I'm not right now.
Very chewy.
Hi guys.
This is Sunny, and he cooked all this. And very delicious, no lie.
I'm on some good shit. Do you guys like it?
Mm-hmm. It's very delicious. It's juicy, you know?
Can I get one? Let me try.
Try the sauce. Woo.
Mmm.
It's kind of hot, kind of spicy. Woo.
It's gonna not spicy.
Wow.
It's hard.
I thought I was about to eat this all. But hey, it's so good, you can't even stop eating it. You see this?
Take my back.
Huh?
Yeah, do it.
Wow. Let me try this with one bite. All of this. Let me try. It's gonna be hard.
Don't choke. Go through.
Okay, dude.
Oh, shoot.
Oh. 한국 가게. This is so much. I'm about to choke myself. So guys, like I said, it's always good. And it's very, very delicious. This is the last one for this kid, you know. She need that meat. so yeah. Yeah, this is goodbye. But till next time. Bye guys.
Bye.
See y'all later.
我是个高，我发个绿，热闹个啥个不到位，不不不走不到黑位，不听我到你到位。